Sometimes a single leaked photo can reveal more than a full spec sheet. That's exactly the case with this newly surfaced look at what many believe is the upcoming Avata series evolution from DJI. At first glance, it's just a drone sitting on a bench during testing, but when you start examining the details, it hints at something far more interesting: a possible fusion of immersive FPV flight and built-in 360-degree capture. If that's true, this could reshape how pilots think about filming, not just how they fly. One of the clearest shots shows the aircraft tethered to a controller with a live video feed running. That wired setup is likely part of testing, but it also signals a focus on minimizing delay and ensuring rock-solid transmission. For FPV pilots, latency isn't just a spec. It's the difference between smooth control and missed lines. The drone itself follows a familiar sinew hoop layout: compact body, enclosed prop guards, and a design clearly meant for controlled environments. That strongly suggests it's built for indoor navigation, tight spaces, and cinematic proximity shots rather than long-range exploration. The most talked about detail is the camera module. It appears to include a forward-facing lens along with what could be part of a 360 capture system, plus a visible tilt mechanism. That combination hints that this drone may not be locked into a single shooting style. Instead of choosing between a traditional FPV camera or a dedicated 360 rig, pilots might get both in one platform. A stabilized forward view for real-time flying and classic footage, as well as full spherical capture that allows reframing later in post. If implemented well, that could eliminate the need to mount external action cameras or run separate drones for different jobs. Blending two imaging approaches into one aircraft is ambitious, but it comes with challenges. More sensors and processing typically mean increased weight, greater heat generation, and higher power consumption. Those factors can influence flight time and agility, which are critical in sinew hoop-style flying. The success of this drone will likely depend on how well those compromises are managed. Markings visible on the prototype suggest an upgraded communication system. While nothing is confirmed, observers expect the newest generation of digital transmission. That would translate into stronger signal reliability and cleaner video links, especially important when flying close to walls, structures, or moving through interiors. Interestingly, the wired connection seen in testing may indicate engineers are still fine-tuning how the drone handles data throughput, which makes sense for a product attempting to process both FPV and 360 imaging simultaneously. Another leaked image shows what looks like a full kit configuration, including multiple batteries and a charging hub. That's a typical sign the drone is intended for repeat flights rather than occasional novelty use. Sinew hoop aircraft generally prioritize precision and safety over endurance, so extra batteries are less about luxury and more about maintaining a steady workflow during shoots. If the rumored pricing structure holds, this drone would likely land between DIY FPV builds and premium camera drones. That positioning could attract FPV pilots wanting more creative flexibility without extra gear, content creators looking for immersive shots without complex multi-camera setups, and even travelers or real estate shooters who need safe indoor flight with reframing freedom. Industry chatter points toward an early 2026 debut. That timeline would align with typical product cycles and give time for firmware refinement before launch. As always, real clarity will only come once flight samples and hands-on testing emerge. Rather than reinventing FPV, this new model appears to explore convergence, bringing together immersive piloting and flexible capture in a single aircraft. It's not about replacing existing workflows overnight, but about giving creators a tool that reduces the need to choose between them. If the concept delivers on its promise, it could mark a subtle but meaningful shift in how aerial storytelling is approached. So that's a wrap! Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.